Welcome to Ida C. Escobar Elementary, home of the mighty Bobcats. Our motto is, students today, graduates tomorrow, leaders forever. I am Principal Mrs. Catarina Espinosa, and I'm so excited to invite you to our Escobar family. Come see why Escobar Elementary is the best fit for all pre-K 3 through 5th grade students. We can't wait to show you everything we have to offer.
Hi, my name is Zoe Trevino, and I'm a 5th grader here at Escobar Elementary. Come take a look as I show you what an amazing school Escobar Elementary is. Here at Escobar, we offer choir, guitar, ukulele lessons, and UIL music memory. This is offered throughout our student classes and after-school programs. Through these programs, students will discover their voice, confidence, and love for music. We also have a Folclorico group of 10 students from 3rd to 5th grade. They are very passionate about their culture and dancing and love to perform at PSJ Southwest Early College High School for their Posada and our spring performance for the end of the year. Escobar Elementary is a high-achieving school. We have received awards such as Honor Roll and 6-star distinction. We also have an amazing science lab and EMT club. Escobar Elementary has an amazing climate-controlled gym. We can play sports in our gym, rain or shine, hot or cold. Our school also teams up with the City of FAR Parks and Rec Department to offer girls volleyball, basketball, softball, and soccer. Boys can also participate in flag football, basketball, soccer, and baseball. These sports begin in August and end in February. We also have our one-day girls softball tournament in which our school goes up against other PSJ FAR elementaries. That's it for the tour. Thank you for joining me. We hope to see you here at Escobar Elementary. Bye!